Welcome back to the channel. The process of taking on a maritime pilot is one of the most critical and potentially risky maneuvers a ship performs, especially when entering or leaving a port. This is where the specialized equipment for pilot transfer comes into play. While the traditional pilot ladder is the most common method, some larger vessels, particularly those with a high freeboard, are also equipped with a pilot hoist winch. This specialized winch system is a more mechanized way to bring the pilot aboard and is a necessary feature when the vertical distance from the water to the vessel's deck makes using a standard ladder impractical or unsafe. The pilot hoist is essentially a small mechanical platform or chair attached to a wire rope that is controlled by an electric or hydraulic winch. It's designed to lift the pilot safely and rapidly from the pilot boat to the ship's deck. When it comes to the equipment's location and fitting, safety is the absolute priority, which means compliance with the International Convention for the Safety of Life at Sea, SOLAS, regulations is mandatory. The winch must be permanently fitted to the vessel, usually near the midship section on the side designated for the transfer. The mounting point is critical. It must allow the hoist to be suspended clear of any discharges and safely away from the ship's propellers or any other hazardous protrusions. The winch mechanism itself is simple yet robust. It houses a drum that spools the wire rope which connects to the platform and a reliable braking system to prevent accidental falls. Since the pilot is being lifted over water, the system must be meticulously maintained and regularly tested. But the pilot hoist is not used alone. It is almost always deployed in conjunction with a standard pilot ladder. International regulations require that when a mechanical hoist is used, a conventional pilot ladder must also be rigged adjacent to it. This provides a secondary means of access should the hoist fail mid-transfer, ensuring the pilot can always switch to the ladder and climb safely. This combination is known as the combination arrangement, and is typically required when the vertical climb exceeds 9 meters. The pilot hoist itself is operated by a trained member of the ship's crew who is positioned to have a clear view of the entire operation, from the pilot boat alongside to the deck landing. Communication is key, often utilizing radio and hand signals to coordinate the descent and ascent with the movement of the pilot boat, which is constantly moving due to sea conditions. Storage and maintenance are non-negotiable. When not in use, the hoist platform is usually secured in a stowed position, often retracted or swung inboard, to prevent damage from weather or operational use. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.